Now we will understand what is hemisphere, what is the difference between hemisphere and sphere, what are the real world examples of hemisphere, and how we can calculate the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere. First of all, we will talk about hemisphere. Hemisphere is a term which is used in geometry to describe half of a sphere. If we have seen sphere, it looks like this. And if we take half of the sphere, each part is called hemisphere. In other words, we can say that sphere consists of two hemispheres. The word hemisphere is derived from the Greek words, and these words are hemi and sapphira. Hemi means half and sapphira means sphere. Hemisphere can be thought of as a half ball or a dome shaped structure. Now, what is the difference between hemisphere and sphere? A sphere is a three-dimensional geometric shape. You can see here that this is a sphere which is completely round, and all the points on it, whether we take it this or this or this, all the points are at equal distance from the center. That is, the distance from the outer side of the sphere to the central point is same. This one, all these are same. That is, the radius of the sphere is the same, with all the points on its surface equidistant from the center. That is, any point on the surface is at equal distance from the center of the sphere. A sphere has only one face, and which is curved. Now we talk about what is hemisphere. A hemisphere is half of a sphere. A hemisphere has two faces. This is the curved face, this one. This is the curved face. And this one is flat face, or we also call it base. These two shapes, that is hemisphere and sphere, are related, but the hemisphere has a flat base while a sphere does not has base. Now, what are the real world examples of hemisphere? The dome of a building is generally hemispherical in shape. A satellite dish is hemispherical in shape. The earth can be divided into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. That is, earth can be divided into two hemispheres. A bubble is a hemispherical shape of liquid. Now, the surface area of hemisphere. The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. First of all, we take the surface area of sphere, which is completely round, and its total surface area is 4 pi r square. This is sphere. And when we talk about the curved surface area, this is the curved surface area of the hemisphere. It means we are talking about this one, half side. And naturally, when we are talking about only half side of the sphere, that is the curved surface area. This is the curved surface area. Curved surface area of the hemisphere, it will be naturally half of the 4 pi r square. So, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to half of surface area of sphere, is equal to 2 pi r square. So, we have to use 2 pi r square when we are to calculate the curved surface area of hemisphere. Now we will talk about the total surface area of hemisphere. When we talk about the total surface area of the hemisphere, we not only include the curved surface area, this is the curved surface area. We also include the area of base, this one. So we have already calculated that this is 2 pi r square curved surface area, and the area of base is pi r square. When we sum total the both, that is the curved surface area and area of base, we arrive at the total surface area of the base. In other words, we can say that in the case of total surface area, we include the curved surface area as well as the area of flat face or base. So this is 2 pi r square and this is pi r square, and we combine both and we arrive at 3 pi r square. Now the applications of hemisphere area in real world problems, that is where we use these formulas. Hemisphere surface area is used in many real world applications, such as to calculate the surface area of hemisphere shaped tank or container. Next is to determine the amount of material needed to coat a hemispherical surface such as a dome or a dome shaped structure. We will later on discuss the numerical examples where we will actually use these formulas to arrive at the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.